What's going on YouTube? It's your buddy, everybody's buddy, Car Craftsman, back with another video. Today, just going to bring you a little video. It is hot out here in Pennsylvania, and I have been bondoing it up all day today. That's why I'm all kinds of dusty. It's whatever. But you know, I was hitting my panel with my hammer today, and well, she didn't last too long. And I'm a do-it-yourself guy. I don't have too much money, and I like to reduce, reuse, and recycle whenever I get the chance. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to attach this head to this handle using some body filler methods and a little bit of ancient methods that people used to use to make weapons and tools themselves. So yeah, we just got a regular hickory handle here and a body shop tool, flat head on one side and a pick on the other to knock down high spots. And I am going to put this back on there, hopefully strong enough where it'll never come off again. We're going to get right into it. So it's got obviously this splitter here that goes down in there and then expands the wood after you put the head on, and that's the first thing I want to take off. All right, I'm using these good old snap-on pliers. They came out pretty easy, and you could see the indentation in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean up these edges to make this thing fit onto that hammer head just a little bit better. So you can see it's got some gaps in there, and we're going to fill them in using a fiberglass filler and then make it look a lot better. So let's find something to shave this down with a little bit. Got some 80 grit right here. I hope that's good enough. It actually shaved off quite a bit there. And one side of this is bigger than the other, and then it's tapered down to a smaller point in the hole here. And I do think that's going to work well. Now to fill in the gaps, what I'm actually going to use is some fiberglass filler here. We're going to get right into this. I ain't even messing around today. About that much will do. Got your hardener here you need to knead up. Put your hardener on. Mix this up quick. Got it thoroughly mixed. Now I'm going to wipe some on here. And then I'm actually going to just splooge some in here. Fill that up nice and tight, and we'll worry about making it look good later. I should have, oh, it's got to go this way. There we go. Now I'm just going to hit this against the floor to really seat it in there. It's looking pretty good. We're going to stuff that top one more time. Fiberglass is already hardening up on me. That's all right. All right, now we got the basics real quick there. So you can see that's going to go in there and fill in the gaps that we need to make sure that it stays sturdy. And we're going to use another technique to go ahead and make sure this thing's completely strong. All right, so I got the fiberglass, it's all shoved in there, and I actually cleaned it up a little bit with a die grinder, and it's looking pretty good. I'm going to clean up this face a little bit, or at least try to, with a file to try to make that a little bit flatter and add a profile to the edge so I don't get any sharp edges on here. Let's see if this even works. All right, got that looking okay. That's about as good as I care to make it. It's flat for the most part. You can see it's not perfectly flat, but like I said, that's about as good as I care to make it. Now that head's already on there good enough where I could start hammering the hell out of some stuff again, but I'm gonna modify it just a little bit more, and let's do that now. Now I went and got some thread down the street, and we're gonna do a little trick that they used to use to make axes, to make your weapons, to do all kinds of cool stuff. And this is I've actually repaired rotor blades in the Army with this technique, and this is kind of just making it a little bit stronger here. Just wind the hell out of it. Put it on. Sunflash Sound Mead Designs, or Steve Mead Designs. This is UV activated fiberglass hardener, and we're just going to apply that right over top of all this. Let's get into that thread, really all saturated. Got that all saturated. We're going to take this right out into the sun. All right, that's pretty well and cured, and not all the way, but I'm impatient. And we're just going to clean it up with a die grinder real quick. And that's about it, guys. I think that's looking pretty good. And I definitely know that that is going to be strong enough to be hitting on some metal with. So you know the deal. If you like the video, subscribe for more content like this. Car Craftsman out.